Have you ever wondered why you rarely remember your dreams, or why you can recall parts of a dream, but a few moments later that dream seems to disappear from your memory? Well, you're going to find out how and why this happens in this presentation. So, my name is Jamie Pagels, and I'm going to do an informative summary on the article called Why Can't We Remember Our Dreams by Bahar Golpur. And so, as a child, I always had very vivid dreams. I had a lot of nightmares growing up too, and I always wondered why I only remembered certain dreams, why sometimes when I was going to tell other people about them, I could only remember parts of it. And so I was very interested in reading this article because it explains all the reasons behind that. So the purpose of this presentation is to give you guys more information regarding dreams and why they so easily disappear from your memory. So the main point in this article is why aren't we able to remember our dreams? And the three reasons behind this are: first, the region in the brain called the hippocampus, it's asleep when you're asleep, so it's not storing those dreams in your long-term memory. Second, there are two neurotransmitters in your brain, one called acetylcholine and a second one called noradrenaline, and the combination of these two neurotransmitters are off when you're asleep, and so that has a big effect on it as well. And last, the memorability of specific dreams. Certain dreams are less important, and so the brain decides to discard those. So our first point, the hippocampus. So the hippocampus is a part of your brain, and the region's located in the medial temporal lobe of your brain, and its main function is to transfer information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. And your hippocampus is the last region of your brain to go to sleep, so it's the last region to wake up as well. And even though the hippocampus is said to be asleep, that doesn't mean it's inactive. It's still, throughout the night, it's storing existing memories rather than new ones. So it's trying to catch up and take all your memories from the day and transfer those to your long-term memory, and it's not focusing on the dreams you're having at that moment and storing those. Also, the frequency of being awakened has a big role in this too. It's seen that more people who wake up more in the middle of the night seem to recall their dreams more, and those who don't remember dreams at all usually don't wake up in the middle of the night. And this is because when you're woken up, your hippocampus activates in your dreams right there in your short-term memory, and it's more easily being able to be transferred to your cortex, to your long-term memory. Second, neurotransmitters, there's two of them that are important, and the first one's acetylcholine and the second one's noradrenaline, and these both are vital for the retention of memories. And it's seen when you fall asleep, both of these neurotransmitters, the levels drop drastically. But the interesting thing is during REM, which is also known as rapid eye movement stage of sleep, acetylcholine raises it to its normal level, while noradrenaline remains low. So scientists see that these two changes in the levels and noradrenaline being low has a big effect on you not being able to recall those memories in those dreams. And lastly, the memorability of dreams plays a key role. Similarly to when you go about your day, some experiences are more memorable than others, so some are stored in your long-term memory, whereas the lesser important ones are discarded. And this is similar because the less significant dreams are discarded by the brain because they deem them as unnecessary to keep in your memory. So the more vivid dreams, those activate your awakening, and so you wake up and the hippocampus is able to send those dreams to your cortex and store them for your long-term memory. That's why we usually remember the more vivid dreams, or like the nightmares, rather than more unnecessary dreams. So to conclude, there are three reasons behind the fact that you're not always able to remember all your dreams. The first one is that the hippocampus spends the night storing existing memories rather than new ones. Also, we saw that the neurotransmitters acetylcholine and noradrenaline, those level changes prevent you from remembering all your dreams. And last is the memorability of certain dreams, and lesser important dreams end up being discarded by your brain. So a few tips and tricks to help remember your dreams, if you ever want to, is first, you can drink water before bed, and this causes you to wake up more frequently. Second, you can keep a dream journal so that you can write down your memories as soon as you wake up so that if they don't get transferred to your long-term memory, you still have them written down. And the third is replaying the memory, because this causes it to be able to have your hippocampus wake up, send it to your cortex, and store it in your long-term memory. Thank you for listening.